Welcome back to Dine story. In this video we are going to see how to make a delicious date cake. This is one of my traditional way I'm going to share with you. Hope you are going to enjoy. Let's get started. Let's see the ingredients. All you want is 200 grams butter, which is room temperature but still cold, and 200 grams flour, 4 eggs, 200 grams sugar, 350 grams dates with seed. Once you remove the seed, it will be around 300 grams, 2 teaspoons vanilla, 2 teaspoons baking powder, 1 tablespoon cocoa powder, roasted cashew nut 50 grams, 50 grams plums. I'm going to separate all the seeds. Once all the seeds are removed, take half a cup water, which is 125 ml. Add lesser than 1/4 teaspoon baking soda into the water. Give it a stir and add the water into the dates and minimum 45 minutes marinating. Don't add too much baking soda. It will make your cake over soft and your cake will start falling while cutting and eating. So you will face so many problems due to the too much baking soda. So put lesser than 1/4 teaspoon or lesser than that also fine. In a bowl, add 1 egg at a time. In case if one of your egg is spoiled egg, you have to repeat the same procedures from the beginning. So this is the one of the best option to save your ingredients without wasting. Now I'm going to beat the egg for 2 to 3 minutes until it get creamy in consistency. Keep the egg creamy mixture separately. Take another bowl and add the butter. Beat it for 2 to 3 minutes. Once it's creamy, add the sugar and beat it for 2 minutes. After that, add the egg mixture little by little and knead it for few more minutes. When you are adding egg mixture, quickly the sugar will start dissolving. Now I can see the sugar is dissolved very well. Now I'm going to add all the dry ingredients. All-purpose flour, cocoa powder, baking powder, using a spatula, fold all the ingredients and give it a good mix. After mixing, I'm going to beat it for a couple of minutes. Once everything combined, at last I'm going to add the vanilla. Once you add the vanilla, give it a good mix. Here I took 9 by 9 square tray. I'm going to cut the baking sheet with exactly the same size of the tray without any extra pieces. Preheat the oven for 10 minutes. Now in the last part, I'm going to add the date mixture. After adding the date mixture, I'm just going to use only the spatula and give it a little mix. I'm not going to beat it. If you are beating with the beater, it will make a paste. So using the spatula, give it a good mix. And now the cake mixture is ready to bake. For 35 minutes in 200 Celsius. I'm going to bake this on bottom heat for 35 minutes and extra few more seconds, around 5 to 6 seconds on the top heat, just to get only the colors. Hope you enjoyed this video and see you on next video. Thank you so much.